Hey everybody, Big Jim Country Boy out here today on the patio on this beautiful Friday morning. Got the cold drinks chilling in the ice box. We're gonna throw this beef brisket on the smoker. I'll show you how to do this stuff without them big expensive smokers. We're gonna use this propane barbecue grill, but the gas is off. We're just using it for something to put smoke inside of. In here, I've got 6 charcoal briquettes. We don't want no heat. We want a cold smoke for the most part. And then cook it later. We're gonna add a big smoke ring. We're not interested in it as low as heat as possible. Lowest temperature possible. We don't want no heat. This is a charcoal chimney. You put paper under this. Make single sheet balls like a snowball if you would. Just tuck them underneath. Take your lighter, light it around the sides. This works on the same principle like a rocket stove. It's going to suck the air up through the bottom here and throw the flames up through the top. You look in there, how it's cooking already. And then once that's ready, we're going to show you the next stage, but that's going to be a few minutes. Lucky for you, the miracle of video editing will be back in a second. Okay, we got some hickory chips here. Just going to put a thin layer in the bottom. We got our charcoal started. It's starting to turn white. This is hot. Be careful where you set it. We're going to add some more hickory chips. So we got this here blower. Clean this up and we're gonna goose that smoker there. You gotta be subtle. On and off. On and off. I believe it requires some more chips on top. Some dead wood off of my peach tree. Right there, get that top rack in focus. Back up so you get the top rack on there. Don't move. that side up for now. There's the brisket. That'll get smoking. If you see flames, it's too hot, spritz it with a bottle of water, put it out. And if it quits smoking, you just give it a little air again. You need a couple more pieces of charcoal, you light that and start over. Okay. Here's the smoker. Gas is off. Dual purpose with my $168 gas propane barbecue from Tractor Supply. See how she looks in there? Get her cooking, blow it out. As long as you don't see no flames and you see smoke, keep it closed. Keep that temperature as low as you can. I'll be live streaming out throughout the day today. If you got time to tune in, like and subscribe, I would appreciate it. And if you're catching this after the fact, you can look in the shorts folder or in the live stream folder on my YouTube channel, Big Jim Country Boy, for the live stream shorts I'll be sending out today.